Samsung will launch 2 premium Galaxy A phones next year. The devices will debut as the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 sometime in March 2026, but their key specs have just been revealed. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A37 and A57. The two smartphones will have many similarities. The key difference will be in performance, making the A57 a flagship killer handset. Galaxy A57 could launch with Samsung's in-house Exynos 1680 chip. The device will pack 12 GB of RAM as an option. The phones will come preloaded with Android 16-based One UI 8.0 or possibly One UI 8.5 software. Include a 6.7-inch OLED display with FHD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The company may use frames made of metal, while the back panel would be made of glass for a premium look. May bring an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 12-megapixel selfie snapper. The Samsung Galaxy A57 has a 5000 mAh battery. It supports 45W fast wired. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.